Today we're introducing the new Rapid Heat Pro 11 called the RH Pro 11. This system operates on the philosophy of very high velocity air at 375 degrees that will literally take an instrument and sterilize it in just a few minutes without the use of any water or any other chemical or any other agent. This particular unit has the ability to have high capacity in terms of 4 trays. Each tray can have almost a kilogram of instruments that can be treated at one time. Air is heated on this side of the unit. It is up and over, down, down and over, and through a air supply wall. Comes across horizontally. Air changes in the chamber are approximately 200 air changes per minute in terms of the velocity of air. Fluidizing the air at that point with the ability to take the heat out of instruments and transform it into the air, which then is regenerated with heat, and the process continues. For unwrapped instruments, the time it takes to get the instruments to temperature is approximately 6 minutes with a full load. If it's a wrapped situation and there's air involved in the pouch, it takes approximately 10 minutes to get it to temperature, but after that, to get a 6-log kill takes only an additional 6 minutes. It's an incredible technology that's been in use for approximately 25 to 30 years. It's a very simple operation. We have an operational display that's a touchpad. We can select pre-selected wrapped instrument, unwrapped instrument, and handpiece instruments. All by touching, we can go to a handpiece scenario. The unit now is preheating just by the virtue of the door being locked. If I want to start a cycle, I just hit start. The door locks, it cannot be opened, and the unit starts running. It will run until the cycle is complete, and at that point you can be assured that that instrument has had a full 12-log kill on it, which is 6 logs for sterilization and additional 6 logs for the sterility assurance level. It's a very compact unit with very, very little maintenance required with regard to cleaning. There's really nothing to clean because there's no liquids. The gasket, we don't know how long it will last, but we're pretty well assured that it's probably 6 to 7 years with about a $30 to $35 replacement cost that you can do in-house. Mechanical parts are a blower, and that's about it. It just moves air across, and the unit is essentially self-sufficient.
Now, Sig, how big are the trays inside the unit?
The trays inside are the full-size trays that you will find in the Tuttenauer and M11 sterilizers, Midmark M11 sterilizers. These trays slide in and out, just like that. You put in your instruments, slide in, shut the door to a full vertical position. It's preheating back up to the temperature you start, and from there you just walk away until the beep goes on and it says instrument sterilized. On the back of this particular machine, you will see some fans. You will see an air supply fan and an air exhaust. This has nothing to do with the chamber at all. It has everything to do with cooling the motor and the circuitry that's in this part of the unit. So this air is always cool. The air velocity is such that you can't hear this unit. It's very, very quiet. One aspect about the chamber itself, the sterilizer chamber itself, is the fact that once I shut this door, the air that's in this system is not replaced by any new air once the cycle for sterilization starts. So that air will go under the complete sterilization conditions, so we do not add any more bioburdens to the load. We don't add any bacteria or viruses, let's say at minute 3, minute 4, minute 5. It's locked, it's sealed, it operates as a full contained situation for sterilization. The unit itself weighs approximately 90 pounds. and it sits in essentially the same footprint as a mid-mark M11. It can go under a cabinet. It has been designed for a mid-mark, as well as go onto a countertop without any overlay. A nice feature about this that's asked a lot, it operates on a 110 volt. So you don't have to go with 240, and you don't have to have any special wiring. It just plugs in and you're ready to go.